Hi, the topic of my speech today is not difficult at all. It's very simple. It's about breakfast. Did you have breakfast today morning? How about you? Please raise your hand if you eat breakfast every morning. As you can see, very few people eat breakfast. And the reason they don't eat breakfast is almost the same, such as I want to have more sleep or I don't have time. When people are asked to choose between breakfast and sleeping in the morning, they usually choose to sleep in the morning. According to 2015 data from the Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 in 4 adult population in Korea is skipping breakfast. 29.5% of men and 26.1% of women said they don't eat breakfast. Like this, many people skip breakfast, so some religions and schools even have a breakfast campaign. For me, no matter how busy I am in the morning, I eat breakfast every day, and it is very helpful to me who have to run around service stations and bus stops from the morning. We must understand the importance of breakfast and try to have it. From now on, I'll be explain the importance of breakfast and I want to make you guys to try to have more breakfast after my speech. Let's begin by looking at the benefits of the breakfast. First, breakfast provides energy to our body. Our body have long balls during the night, but when we have breakfast, it not only relieves our body from fatigue but also induces the activation of our brain. So, it can be the mainspring of activities and improve efficiency of work. Next, if you skip the breakfast, your personality can be changed, such as being sensitive to small things or easily excited. Some of you may think that you're easily upset or overreacting to something which isn't a big deal. I want those people to listen in more detail. There is an hormone center, the epicenter in the hypothalamus, just above the pituitary gland, which is a hormone center. If you skip the breakfast, the center of appetite will remain excited, which will keep you emotionally and physiologically unstable. And if this unstable situation continues, the person can be sensitive to even small things and easily get excited. In order to calm down and stay stable in this state of excitement, breakfast should be used to raise your blood sugar and send it to the brain. Finally, having breakfast helps your diet. I think some of you have been on a diet, right? I have tried diet many times too. And of course, some of those attempts include starving. However, if you don't provide enough nutrition, our body tries to accumulate even a small amount of calories in subcutaneous fat in preparation for starvation. Then your body will have more and more subcutaneous fat. Also, you tend to overeat at lunch or dinner because you can't control your food intake. So, if you continue to skip breakfast and when it becomes your bad habit, it is found to be a shortcut to obesity or a slim figure. So you see, there are reasons why you should eat breakfast and problems when you don't. Until now, I told you about a simple statistic about breakfast, the importance of breakfast, and the benefits of breakfast for your body. It provides energy, raises blood sugar, and send it to the brain so that your appetite center can remain stable and helps our diet. I hope that you agree with my argument in my speech and hope that breakfast will take precedence over sleep in your next morning. Thank you.